Two friends of mine made $50,000 in 1 month. Here is how they did it. Step number 1, they wrote a small book. Step number 2, they wrote a sales copy. Step 3, they made a sales page. The sales page has hosting server, domain, and great design. And then they did the hardest part, the scariest ads. They literally tested and burnt their money and kept testing until they got a winner. Once they got this winner, they made a funnel. Funnel has multiple pages, multiple sales copies, and multiple page designs. Then they test again with ads. And finally, after all these, they found a real money maker. Now don't worry, because you don't have to do this. You can just become an affiliate of the offer and earn 50% commission for sales. They have done all the hard work and you will only earn 50% commission just for bringing sales without doing all this. But unfortunately, this will not make you a lot of money because this funnel is a low ticket funnel. It will earn you low commission. What makes you happy is when you earn high commission by promoting a high ticket offer of, let's say, $1,000 price with 50% affiliate commission. But instead of running ads, you will be running free social media traffic. That's exactly how our beginner students earn high ticket affiliate commissions. But in their case, it's 99% done for you. And if you want to learn about our system, check my profile, the first comment, and caption for a free case study.